Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Sue Findlay and today I'm going to be working on some more Christmas decorations, Christmas baubles, only this time I'm using nail polish to decorate these baubles, and as you can see I am pouring these into a bowl of water and then I'm literally just going to dip the baubles into the water and allow the nail polish to stick to the bauble. So you just take your bauble, dip it in, let the water run off, and then we're going to hold it upright just to allow the nail polish to run down a little bit and to cover as much of the bauble as possible. So as you can see, I'm using a hook on the bauble and I'm going to use that hook to hang it once I have covered it with the nail polish. And I'm only using two colours for this, and it doesn't matter what nail polish you use, but I would recommend that you use a new nail polish and not an old one. And don't hang around too much because the nail polish starts to harden in the water as soon as it hits the water, so you need to be fairly quick when dipping these in. Now once you finish with a particular colour, what I do here is I use a stick to grab any remaining nail polish from the surface of the water and then just wipe it with a paper towel. Now you can see that there's drips on the bottom there, so some of the nail polish does sink to the bottom. However, this doesn't affect the next pour. So this bauble that I'm using is actually got some dirty marks, but it doesn't matter because once we put the colour on you're not going to see those. So I'm using two different colours here. I'm using like a lilac purple and a white, off-white colour, like almost like an opal white. And again I'm just going to drizzle this across the surface of the water. Some will sink, but don't worry too much about that. And then I'm just going to drizzle some of the white also in a random pattern. And then I've got everything at the ready, and again I'm just going to dip that in. Now for this one, part of it didn't get any of the colour, so I'm actually going to pour a little bit more of the nail polish into the water, and then I'm going to dip it once again so that I've got nail polish pattern on the other side of the bauble. So now I'm just going to dip it on the opposite side. So as you can see, I've just dipped that into the water, and now all of that bauble is covered with nail polish. Note, nail polish can give off some toxic fumes, so I recommend that you wear a mask while working on these projects for your own safety. So for the last one I'm going to use a dark maroon colour and also a gold, and I'm treating it in exactly the same manner as before. The only difference is after I have taken this out of the water, I'm actually going to manipulate the drips a little bit to help them move down the bauble. So as you can see, I'm just using my finger to gently tap the bauble to help the nail polish to move down and give it more of a marbled feel. So as you can see, I'm just very gently rubbing the surface of the bauble and just helping to blend some of that colours down, just so that we don't have any hard lines or lumps and bumps from the nail polish. As always, I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple project. If so, please give it a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe to my channel. I have other ideas to keep you inspired. So until the next video, bye for now.